In this video we're using two simple sticking exercises, right, left, left and left, right, right, to create some lovely triplet fill-ins around the kit. But first let's learn the two exercises that all these fills are built up from, and then we'll put it onto the kit and show you some really interesting fills with it. The first exercise is really simple. It's a loud right hand followed by two quiet left hands, and that sounds like this. Right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left. One triplet and triplet, two triplet and triplet, three triplet and triplet, four triplet and triplet. A little bit faster sounds like this. We can also use the sticking, just the right, left, left, as a fill-in on its own. Let's try this. I'll play some basic time, sing it out, and then play the fill-in on my leg and then sing out the time, so you can see how it works as a fill. So if we play some basic time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and boom, stats, doom, stats, boom, stats, doom, stats. Now let's try that right, left, left on the kit as a few fill-ins and move it around the kit, maybe hit a few toms and a few cymbals backed by the bass drum. The second sticking exercise is basically two quiet right hands and then a loud left hand, again in 16th note triplets, and that sounds like this. One triplet and triplet, two triplet and triplet, three triplet and triplet, four triplet and triplet, one. Now let's take that concept, pretend we're playing a bar of time, I'll sing that out, and then a bar of fill-in, so then you can see how it works in context. Boom, ba, boom, ba. Boom, ba, boom, ba. Time now to take it over onto the drum kit. This next fill-in combines the two sticking patterns, the right, left, left and the left, right, right. Let's first play it off the kit and see what it sounds like. Time to take it onto the kit. Now this 16-note triplet fill is a little bit more tricky. It uses a 6-stroke roll at the beginning and then a combination of right, left, left and left, right, right to give you a really nice interesting pattern where the accents move around. Let's play this slowly and loop it around so you can hear what it sounds like. Now let's try that sticking pattern a little bit quicker. Time to take it onto the kit.